SolarTech installed a backup power system for our solar system about a year ago. We have a disabled son who requires electricity for his medical equipment 24 hours a day. When we heard that San Diego Gas and Electric was going to be having rolling blackouts and everything, we realized we needed to have something to depend on. They installed it perfectly, and fortunately, we have not been had to use it yet, but it's there if we need it, and it gives us much relief to realize that we don't have to worry about our son anymore. We would recommend highly SolarTech. They did an outstanding job of installation. Their personnel is very experienced and very pleasant to deal with, and there would be no hesitation on our part in recommending them to family and friends. I hope that you can get some good experience with them also. Thank you.